Okay, here we go. Finally, I'm gonna be doing this lyrics to Take on the World, but I'm gonna have it on mute. So, yeah. Wait. On second thought, I'm just gonna do it without the music. Heh. Okay.
Been
Waiting for a day like this to come, struck like lightning. My heart's beating like a drum, on the edge of something wonderful. Face to face with changes, what's it all about? Life is crazy, but I know I can work it out. 'Cause I've got you to live in with me. I feel alright, I'm gonna take on the world. Light up the stars, I've got some pages to turn. I'm singing oh ho ho, oh 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 oh. I got a ticket to the top of the sky. I'm coming up on the ride of my life. I'm singing oh ho ho, oh ho ho ho. Take on the world, 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 take on the world. All I know is that part of it. I haven't heard the whole thing. But who provided me of this is Ron Blanchard and Sabrina Carpenter. So thank you for watching. I know this was really short. I wanted to make it as short as possible. So yeah. Bye.